Hi, my name is Katherine Young, and I'm doing a lesson plan for Math 1350. It's over understanding what fractions represent for aimed towards first graders. The students should be able to add, subtract, do basic math up to the number 20 just to make it easier, and students will be able to display what a fraction represents by constructing a model of the fraction. So let's get started. Oh, and my brother and sister are helping me with this lesson.
I'm Jimmy.
Okay. Welcome, class. I hope you had a great lunch. Are you ready to start on our math lesson today? I hope so, because we're having a blast learning about fractions.
Ms. Young, what is a fraction?
I'm glad you asked. The term fraction is what we use to explain a part of a whole. A whole is an entire group of something. So an example of a group would be a team. So what is a team made up of?
The people on the team.
Yes, you're right. A team is made up of its team members. So if 3 team members got injured and sat out, would the whole team be playing?
No, because part of the team would be missing.
You're right. The injured members are a part of the whole team. Another example, if I ate 2 pieces of pizza and there were 5 pieces of pizza in the box, did I eat the whole pizza?
No, you only ate part of the pizza.
Exactly. So to show how much of the pizza I ate, I would write a fraction. This is what it looks like. You put a part over a whole. I ate 2 pieces of pizza. Therefore, I would write the number 2, because that was the part. Then I would write a line under it, and then I would write the whole number, which is what the entire pizza was. So what number would that be?
3?
Not quite. You're thinking of how many pieces were left. The whole is how many pieces were there before I ate them. That would be 5 pieces of pizza. So your fraction would look like this. 2 over 5. Let's do another one. What if I ate 3 pieces of pizza and there were 7 pieces of pizza in the box?
Then you would be full.
Well, you're right. I would be full. But remember, what would the fraction look like? Remember, a fraction shows a part over a whole. The part represents how many pieces of pizza you ate. So what number do I need to write on the top?
3.
You're right. So what goes on the bottom?
7.
Great job. You're all getting the hang of it. Now, not all of the fractions have to do with pizza. Let's say you want to figure out what fraction of our classroom marbles are blue. But this time we're going to use squares. So does anyone want to tell me what a fraction looks like again?
The part is on the top.
You're right. So what would the part be in this problem?
A marble.
Well, the whole is all of the marbles, but the part is a specific kind of marble. So we are looking for the blue marbles, right?
Right.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, let me go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blue marbles. Now would that be the part or the bottom?
All the marbles?
I'm sorry, I said that wrong. Okay, so you have 9 marbles. Now that we have the part done, so that was the part. Excuse me for any confusion. Part. 9 marbles was what we're looking for. So now what I was going to say is now that we have the part done, what goes on the bottom?
All the marbles?
You're right. We have 20 marbles total. So therefore, our fraction would look like this. This means that you have 9/20ths of our marbles are blue. Let's do some more examples. I want to know what fraction of our marbles is the color red. So what do we do first?
We separate 2 red marbles from the rest of the marbles.
Yes, we do. We separate the red marbles from the rest of the marbles. So how many red marbles do we have? 1.
We have 5 red marbles.
You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. So would that be the part or the whole?
The part.
You're right. So do we write the part on the top or the bottom?
On the top.
Good job. So we're going to write 5 right here. What else do we need to find out?
We need to put how many marbles we have all together on the bottom.
Yes. Do you remember how many marbles we have?
20.
Good job. So we'll write 20 on the bottom because it's
the whole. It's the entire group.
Good job. So our fraction will look like this. 5/20. Great job. Now that you've got the hang of it, we're going to do a craft activity to show your parents that you know what a fraction looks like. Our activity is just like the pizza examples we were talking about. If you look at the example, it reads, my pizza has blank parts. The pizza smells blank. I am blank hungry, so I ate blank out of the blank pieces. I ate blank of my pizza. So that's a lot of blanks. But for this activity, you can choose how many pieces of pizza you want, and you can have more. You can't have any more than 9 pieces though, because we don't have enough. Then you get to decide how many you ate. So you can separate the pieces that you ate from the pieces that you didn't eat, just like this one. There's 1 piece separated from the pieces that I didn't eat. So I just ate 1 piece in this example. If you had 3 pieces of pizza and you want to say you ate 1/3 of the pizza, then how would you show it?
Put down 1 piece and then put down 3 more pieces together.
Not quite. Remember, the bottom is how many, is the number of pieces you had total. So if you already ate 1 piece, then how many would you have left?
Oh, 2 pieces.
That's right. So you would put down 2 pieces away from the other piece you ate, just like in this example, like I was explaining earlier. You will fill in the fractions that your pizza represents in the correct spaces. Now, if you look at the example, not all of the blanks are filled with numbers. Let's go over it. My pizza has blank parts. That's where you'll put your whole number, how many pieces that you have all together. The pizza smells blank. This is where you're going to put what we call an adjective. It's something that describes. So, what do you think a pizza smells like? Yummy, delicious. That's where you're going to put here. I am blank hungry. So for this one, it looks like I only ate 1 piece. So I'm only a little hungry. But if you ate 5 pieces, I think that you would be really hungry. So I ate blank out of blank pieces. This is where you'll write the part here and your whole number again. So for this one, it would be I ate 1 out of 3 pieces. I ate blank of my pizza. That's where you're going to write the fraction. And if you have enough time, you can cut and paste a picture of you that I took yesterday with your chef test. And please come ask me if you have any questions. Here, you guys can just hold it. And then we'll fast forward. Now we're going to fast forward into the review. Teacher, you all did such a great job with your activities. I hope that you all had a fun time learning about your fractions and what they mean. Who would like to tell me how you set up a fraction?
There's 2 parts.
Yes, what are those 2 parts?
The amount that you had in the first place.
Almost. There's the part that you are measuring that goes on top, so this part, and then there's what you had all together, which is called the whole, right?
There's a part, and then there's 2, and then there's the rest of the part.
Well, that's almost right. First, there's the part that you were measuring, correct? So the last one, we had 5. And then we had the whole. The whole is how many we had together, because remember, we had all 20 marbles. The yellow, blue, and red all made 20 marbles. So great job. Now you all know what a fraction looks like and what it means. So go put your crafts on the drawing table, and we will put